Yes, see, here we are discussing about in str. What is the use of substring? It is used to display substring either from beginning of the given string or from end of given string or from middle of the given string. From anywhere, if you want to take part, then we will use substring. Here we are discussing about in str. What is in string? Within the given string, if you want to find out the position of a character within the given string, if you want to find out the position of given character either from beginning of the string or from end of the string, it will, again I am repeating, if you want to find out position of given character either from beginning of the string or from end of the string, we will use in str function. Let us see. Here, substring is taking three parameters. What are the three parameters? String m comma n. M comma n. M represents beginning, from the beginning or ending. N represents number of characters. Okay. Whereas in str will take four parameters. First one, string. Next, which character you want to find out. This indicates either beginning or ending. How it is indicating either beginning or ending? If it is +1, search is started from beginning. If it is -1, search will be started for this character from end of the string. N, by default N is 1. 1 means it is looking for first occurrence of this character. It is looking for first occurrence of this character. Whereas if it is 2, instr will find out second occurrence of this character. If it is 3, it is trying to find out the third occurrence of this character. And see, suppose select instr welcome. Actually, instr function will take 4 parameters. But here we have only 2 parameters. String character. What about m value and what about n value? We are not writing m and n. Then what are the default values? The default values are 1, 1. M value is 1 and also n value is also 1. See, what is the effect of this one? See, it will find out the given character position by default from the beginning of the string and by default first occurrence of character. 2 points I am saying. In str target is finding this character from where, beginning or ending? By default from beginning. Okay, which position? First position, second position, third position. By default first position. If you don't write m and n values, by default it will find out first occurrence of the given character from the beginning of the string. So in welcome, the first occurrence is E, first occurrence position is 2. So it is printing 2. So the same query, same example, we are writing including m and n values. By default, what are m and n values? 1, comma 1. Here I am giving that. So then also it will print the answer 2 only. Now, how to find out the second occurrence of E? Second occurrence means second time where it was found from the beginning of the string. See, select in str welcome. I am looking for character position E from the beginning of the string. This indicates beginning or ending. If it is -1, search is from ending. If it is +1, search is from beginning. Okay, from the beginning, which position? First, second, third, fourth. What is the position? Position is second. So from the beginning, it is finding second occurrence of E. Now, generally, this is very much important for finding what is the length of username, how to print username from the given mail ID. In these cases, it's very, very important. So let me show you practically. Again, I am repeating. What is the use of instr? We can find out position of given character, that is nth position of given character, either from beginning of the string or from end of the string. Remember, let me change into alter session set container equal to orcl pdb, and now connect as Dinesh 7 and welcome at the rate orcl pdb. Set line size 200. Clear. What is my target? See, select in str of, this is my string, welcome to Oracle functions. Let us assume this is our string, welcome to Oracle functions, comma. What is the character you are looking for? If you are looking for the character E, okay, I am not writing anything. What is my target is find out first position of E from the beginning of the string. So from Joel, if anybody is asking how to find out position of a character, what is the function in str? How to take substring from the given string? Then you have to use substring. Remember. So what is the position of first position of E from the beginning of the string? So this is the first occurrence of E. First occurrence of E position is 2. Okay, but I am looking for second occurrence. I am looking for second occurrence. Listen, here after character, first value m value, next value n value. Actually, we have to submit like this. So m indicates from the beginning or from ending. So m is positive from the beginning. I want to find out which occurrence, second occurrence of the E. Second occurrence of E. Where is the second occurrence? This is first occurrence and here it is second occurrence. So second occurrence position is 7. Suppose if you want to see third occurrence of the character E, then it will print 17. 17th position from the beginning of the string. Okay, now I want to find out fourth occurrence of E. Actually, we have only 3 positions of E. We don't have fourth occurrence in the string. So it will print 0. If there is no occurrence, it will print 0. Remember this. And one more point. See, can I find out any character position from ending? Yes. Santosh Kumar, I am muting you because we are getting echo from your end. Okay. Next one is how to find out any position of E from the ending. If you want to find out from ending, use -1. Which position? Suppose I am looking for third position from ending. Third position from ending. Third occurrence. See, 1, 2, 3. So this is the third occurrence from ending. Okay. Then what is the position number? 2 only. Remember, 2 only. So it will not make any count from ending. Always positions never changed. Only way of searching is changed. You can search either from beginning or from ending. And now, what is the exact real-time example for this? Say select I want to display length of username from the given mail ID. I want to display length of username from given mail ID. Select in str of dineshp.ora at gmail.com. Assume that this is my mail ID. This is my mail ID. In this mail ID, in this mail ID, what is your target? Find out length of username. Find out length of username. What is the username? From beginning character up to before character of at the rate. Again, from beginning character, we should consider up to previous character of at the rate symbol. So we should consider from D to A. So if you find out, okay, this is called as username. How can I find out the length of this username? You can find, see, can I find in str position, sorry, can I find out at the rate symbol position from the beginning? Can I find out at the rate symbol position from beginning? Yes, we can find out. So how to find out at the rate symbol position? At the rate from beginning of the string. So from QL, see, at the rate position is 12. Yes, we are finding the position of at the rate symbol. But username means don't consider along with at the rate. Username should be one position less than at the rate position. You can easily calculate. It is very, very simple logic. Username from first character until one character, one position less than at the rate. How to calculate one position less than at the rate position? Simple. Deduct minus 1. What is the target of this? What is the target of this one? What is the target of this select query? The select query is giving the position of at the rate. But we need up to before position of at the rate. So say minus 1. We should write minus 1 from. So what is the position? 11. 11 is the length of the username. 12 is the position of at the rate symbol. Here 11 is the username length. See. So here 6 plus 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Not only this, you can submit anyone. Suppose if I am giving this mail ID, abc at the rate aol.com. This is your mail ID. From this mail ID, what you are calculating? Username length. Username length. What is the username length? 3. It's very, very simple logic. What you have to do is find the position of at the rate and deduct minus 1. Then it will consider up to before position of at the rate. Up to before position of at the rate. Next one, display username from given mail ID. In the previous case, you are displaying username length. In the current example, I want to display username. Okay. Mail ID, can I say it's a string? Mail ID, can I say it's a string? Yes. From the mail ID, you are taking username. So username is a part of mail ID? Yes. How to take part of a string? Substring. Okay, substring, fine. Substring is taking how many arguments? Three parameters. First parameter, string. What is the first parameter? Let me give you dineshp.ora@gmail.com. This is my mail ID. First parameter completed. What is your target? You are taking substring from the given string. What is that substring? Username. Username beginning from first character. Okay. Substring taking three parameters. String, beginning character, number of characters. Okay. Beginning character 1. How many number of characters from first character? How many number of next characters you want to take? See, the number of next characters is calculated by instr. I want to take up to before position of at the rate. We want to take up to before position of at the rate. How to calculate before position of at the rate? Just now we have seen by using instr. See, to calculate third parameter value, I am using instr. Instr of dineshp.ora@gmail.com. Okay, and here what is the position you want to find out? At the rate position from the beginning, -1. Why? Because we have to take up to, only we should take up to before position of at the rate. Okay, see, this is the string. Dinesh B.or is something, it is a string. First parameter completed. Second parameter 1. Third parameter value calculated by instr. Finally, what you are getting? Username from Jewel. Last username is a title. Is it printing username? Not only this, you can submit any mail ID. From that, it will print only username. Don't calculate manually. So suppose if you specify any value manually, means counted from the beginning character, total 11 characters. Instead of in str, you can also write 11. Then it will print username. But if you change mail ID, and 1 comma 11, in that different mail ID, username cannot be printed properly. That's why always we should write the query in a dynamic form. You can submit any mail ID, you will get the answer. Now, in this case, actually, we will use instr and substr. Next one, translate. How to translate the given characters into some other characters. See, we have translate is taking three parameters. First one, string or column name, source characters, target characters. What is a source character? From in this string, I am giving some characters. These characters are replaced with target characters. So it will print given value by replacing source characters in the given value, with the target characters. Welcome. I am replacing E and M. E is translated with X, M is translated with Y. E is translated with X and M is translated with Y. So the resultant string. In the next example, welcome, EM translating E and M. But by mistake, I don't specify the translating character for M. E translating with X. E translating with X. But for M, no character, no translation character. Then what is the answer? Any error? No. M is eliminated from the spelling. M is eliminated from your string and E is translated with X. Replace. Translate function translating character by character, but replace function replaces string by string. It is taking string. So this is source string and this is target string. Replace function is looking in this string for this source. Replace is searching for this string in the given string. If there exists source string, that source string is replaced with target string. And here select replace of welcome, comma. Here, what is the source string? COME. COME is searched under given string. In the given string, we have COME. That COME word means string is replaced with sys. Then what is the resultant value? Well sys. Here, in the case of replace function, don't worry about number of characters in the source, number of characters in the target. It will not worry about number of characters in the source and targets. It is not necessary to maintain same number of characters. Select replace of welcome COME X. Then it is printing well X. Next, one of the interview question. How do I remove a character from given string? If you want to completely remove the character, use replace function. What is the word you are searching? E. What is the replacing word? No word. There is no space also. Two continuous single quotes. No space. Be careful. If you maintain space, then E is replaced with the space. If there is no space, E is replaced with nothing. Nothing in the sense E is eliminated. You can remove a character from the entire given string by using replace function. What is trim? Trim function display given string by removing spaces from left and right of the given string. Trim function display given string by removing spaces from left side and also from right side of the given string. So it will print without spaces, it will print welcome to, and continuously it will print Oracle like this. L trim, left trim, it will print the given string by removing spaces only from left side. Again, it will display given string by removing spaces only from left side. R trim, it will print given string by removing spaces only from right side. By removing spaces only from right side. Again, I'm repeating. Trim, remove spaces from both sides. L trim, remove spaces from left side only. R trim, remove spaces from right side only. Okay, spaces are removing by trim, L trim, R trim. But I want to remove a character. That character, uh, that character multiple times occur in the left side. Multiple times the same character occurs in the right side. Multiple times the same character occurs in both sides. Like this. So here what is the character? X. Can I remove this character multiple times occur in the left side? Can I remove a character which is occurred multiple times in the left side? Yes, by using trim keywords. Trim is eliminating spaces. L trim and R trim are also eliminating only blank spaces. But trim with keywords will remove a given character either from left side or from right side or from both sides. Leading, I want to remove the character from left side. I want to remove the character from left side. Leading character from so and so string. It's a keyword. This is also keyword. This is your character. This is your submitted string. So select trim of leading x from so and so value, means left side how many times x character is occurs, that many times it will be eliminated. So all these x positions are removed. The final result is 5673. Trailing. Trailing means same as leading. Leading is removing this character from left side. Trailing will remove this character from right side of the given string. So here we have some characters in the left side and we have the same character in the right side. What is the keyword you are applying? Trim function with trailing keyword. What is the responsibility of trailing? Trailing will remove the character only from right side. It will not remove the character from left side. So left side, the character x is as it is. Both. Next keyword is both. Both keyword will remove this character from both sides of the string. Both keyword will remove the character from both sides of the string. So no, rtrim only remove spaces. Rtrim, ltrim, trim. They are unable to remove any character. But here we are removing a specific character which occurs multiple times either from left side or right side. Okay, both. It will remove the character from both sides. From the left side it is removing these x positions, and also from right side it is removing x positions. This is about both. Next, lpad. What is lpad? If you want to print a specific symbol multiple times, again, if you want to print a specific symbol couple of times in the left side of given string, again, it will print the given character couple of times, multiple times in the left side of given string. Like suppose go to any shopping or visit any ATM, do some transaction. After that you will get some payslip. In that payslip, at the end of the payslip, you can see some type of messages. Thank you. Visit again. Before thank you, you can see couple of stars or couple of any special symbol. After thank you also couple of symbols. Visit again. Before visit again and after visit again you have couple of symbols. Okay. See here lpad, it will print the given character multiple times, suppose this many number of times, multiple times in the left side of the string. Again, it will print this character multiple times in the left side of given string. How many number of times? That depends on this formula, n minus length of given string. Suppose n is 10. N is 10. String length 5. String length, given string length 5. Again I am repeating, n is 10. Total length of the string is 10. In the output, total length of the string is 10 characters. How many stars, how many special characters you need to print? N minus length of given string. N minus length of given string means 5 characters. 10 minus 5, 5. How many times this value is printed? 5 times. Okay. What is my target? It's a very important. Listen carefully. Select LPAD of. Here my string is thank you. This is my string, and before this string means left side of the string you want to print 5 stars. You want to print 5 stars. 3 parameters it will take: string, total length, character. Okay, total length means length of given string. How to find out length of given string? Length of what is the given string? Thank you. This is the length of actual string plus how many stars you want to print? 5, comma. What is the symbol you are printing? Star. Close this. From Jewel. See here in the left side of your string, is it printing special symbol star? How many times it was printed? 5 times. What is the total length of the value in the string in the output? Length of given string plus 5 stars. So it is 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 5, 14. In case if you are using the function rpad, if you are using the function rpad, then it will print right side. But I want in both sides. I want to print that value in both sides. How to print the value in both sides? Go to editor. Here only I am editing. So already rpad is giving some symbol right side. In this, for this string, I want to print some left side. Or first take this one and print right side. Any choice is yours. Okay. rpad is already giving the string with some symbol in the right side. So what is our target? I want to print the string. I want to print the symbol in the left side of the given string. Okay. What is the given string? First string. String is rpad result. This is rpad result. Copy it. The first parameter is rpad result. What is the string? What is the string right now? The string is this. For this, we want to print 5 stars in the left side. Okay, listen carefully. First parameter completed. This is the string. This one is the string. Okay, what is the next parameter? Length of the given string. Length of given string plus 5 positions we need. Length of how you are getting string. The string is generated by rpad. Length of this string plus how many positions? 5 positions, comma, 2 parameters completed. What is the symbol you want to print? Star. It's very easy. What is our target? We want to print thank you word. Before thank you, I want to see 5 stars. After thank you, I want to see 5 stars. How to print a special symbol either in the left or right of given string? By using lpad and rpad functions. By using these two function combinations, we are printing star in the left side and also in right side. Save it, exit, run it. Are you getting your required format or not? A small logic. you need to remember what is your target. First one. Next one is to print the left side what we are applying, to print the right side what we are applying, and how many parameters under each function. LPAD is taking 3 parameters and RPAD is also taking 3 parameters. Check in the RPAD function, RPAD string or some value, and this is the second parameter. Length of the value is the second parameter, and what is the character, third parameter. LPAD is also taking 3 parameters. First parameter getting from this result. This is first parameter, first line. Second parameter is finding total length of your above result. And last parameter symbol. You can apply any one, any string. You will get like this. Now, what is the use of yeah, this is about LPAD and RPAD, and so we discussed about something like replace, translate. Let me come from the examples from there. What is translate? It will translate source given string characters into target characters. So here under welcome, E is translated with X, M is translated with Y. Suppose if by mistake you are not giving any translating character, then the source character is eliminated from output. Actually, welcome is a 7 character length word, but in the output you are seeing only 6 characters. Since M is eliminated from the output. Next, replace. At the place of translate, you can use replace. Replace welcome, and here I am searching for the word come and I want to replace it with X, well X. And if you want to remove any one character from the entire string, let me take, say, welcome to Oracle. From this given value, I want to remove the character E. So replace the source character E. Source character E. And that source character is eliminated. How to eliminate? Single quote, single quote. Don't use any space. See the result. Complete character. This is one of the interview question. Don't miss it. So some people are asking, can I remove a character completely from the given string? Yes, you can remove. No, no, no. EM is not translated with X. Welcome. Here it is not EM, it is ME. See, translating. Okay, here EM and then X means E is translated with X, but there is no translation for M. If there is no target character for M, the source character eliminated from input. So then what is trim function? Trim function will display given string by removing spaces. Before and after we have spaces, that spaces are eliminated by using trim. Before welcome to we have couple of spaces. After welcome to also we have couple of spaces. All these things are eliminated by using trim function. And here we are using two functions, trim comma init cap. First output to trim, immediately it is printing the output of init cap. Init cap means initial capital, OE is printed in capital. Here two functions. So two function outputs are separated with one space. If you are using ltrim at the place of trim, only we are using ltrim at the place of trim, then it will remove spaces only from left side. It is removing spaces only from left side. If you are removing only from right side, then use rtrim. So right side spaces eliminated. If you want to remove both sides, trim. What are the trim keywords? Trim keywords are useful to remove any one specific character from the left side or from right side. Okay, let me take this. See, what is leading? Leading X. So left side of the string, some X character is there, it is eliminated. Eliminated. Again, if you want to remove from right side, use trailing. Go to file menu, save, go to file menu, exit, slash. And I want to remove from both sides. Use both. From both sides. It is eliminating the given character X from both sides. This is about trim and lpad, rpad, instr, translate and replace. That's all for today. The rest of the part we will continue tomorrow. Tomorrow, these are the scalar functions up to characters. Tomorrow we are going to start about date functions. We are going to discuss about date functions. Date functions, conversion functions. Tomorrow we will see these two.